As God continues to grow the ministry footprint of Fellowship Bible Church, the size of the facility must also grow in order to accomplish our mission to proclaim the gospel, equip the saints, and go into all the world. In the coming weeks, we will be doing our very best to keep the congregation informed of pertinent information regarding the expansion process that may impact access to the building, safety concerns, and general information as the construction activities move ahead. We ask that all remain flexible and check the church website for regular updates, which will be posted every Friday. Teresa Ingalls will be posting updates on the Facebook page as well. Over the next 2 weeks, construction activities will be focused on completing the drainage system in the new parking area, completing the topsoil replacement along the back driveway, and site prep work at the back entrance driveway. The front entrance may be eliminated over this time frame, requiring everyone to access the building from the back driveway entrance or through the basement doors. The elders have also decided to move to summer hours for the next 7 weeks. Beginning Sunday, July 1st through Sunday, August 12th, only one service will be scheduled from 11 o'clock until 12:30. As always, we appreciate your patience and your prayers.